Hey, this is silentsolution. Today we'll see the another simple command in Linux, but it is to necessity our working environment when there are any system administrator updated to another system administrator. This way, when is the roster is finished, the time is the motd message, and finally he or she logging the display the your updated today work any updated and important update. Let's go. motd. All right, therefore, sir, masses of days. Let's go. First of all, we are create our motd. It is a motd. Let's go. Welcome to Silent Solution YouTube channel. This is just we are now save and exit. Let's go. Here is my API. This might be. Let's go. Okay, logging. Try to log in. Good. First, yeah. This is Silent Solution. Welcome to where if our any updated here, they must be updated here. Let's go. Just there. Var version. Just masses. My next system administrator. Yeah. Let's go. We're again try to our server login. Yeah. Today's sensor server version. Here is the many updated here. You can your tasks define here when it's logging any system administrator. The time is the message provider. Thanks for watching.